Have you ever thought that tiny birds, with their delicate wings, could create structures that leave human architects in awe? Forget skyscrapers or grand bridges. In the heart of nature, master architects' birds are quietly crafting masterpieces that astonish the world. Today, we'll explore 20 of the most unique bird nests, from intricately woven baskets and sturdy mud fortresses to floating nests drifting on water. And you won't believe this, some birds build their homes using their own saliva. Are you ready to step into a magical world where instinct, perseverance, and creativity intertwine? Let's dive in. Number 1. Weaver bird nest. We begin with a symbol of patience. The weaver bird, also known as the basket weaver, found in the savannas and sparse forests of Africa, these tiny birds turn nest building into a breathtaking display of artistry. The male, with his small but nimble beak, selects the perfect spot, often a high branch near a river, and meticulously weaves soft grass into a teardrop-shaped nest that hangs suspended. The highlight, a narrow tunnel, leads to the main chamber, shielding eggs from rain, sun, and predators like snakes or birds of prey. The process takes a full week, requiring hundreds of precise knots. Each blade of grass is carefully chosen, like an artisan selecting fabric for a masterpiece. But here's the kicker. The female plays the role of quality inspector. If the nest doesn't meet her standards, she rejects it outright, forcing the male to dismantle it and start over. Can you imagine that level of persistence? This is nature's weaving art, where each nest is a testament to endurance and extraordinary skill. Number 2. Vogelkop bowerbird nest. If humans have installation artists, nature has the Vogelkop bowerbird, the master of New Guinea's tropical forests. What's unique? The male doesn't build a nest for living, but creates artistic bowers to woo a mate. They spend weeks, sometimes months, collecting twigs, colorful fruits, bottle caps, plastic scraps, and anything shiny. These are meticulously arranged by color and size, like an outdoor art gallery bursting with vibrancy. The area around the bower is cleared spotlessly, like a perfect stage. When a female arrives, the male performs an enchanting dance, blending songs with swaying movements. The female evaluates not just beauty, but the creativity and effort of the artist. If unimpressed, she leaves, and the male must refine or rebuild. This is a stunning fusion of instinct, art, and love, making you wonder, are humans or birds the true artists? Number 3. Montezuma oropendola nest. Venturing into the Central America's rainforests, we meet the Montezuma oropendola, master of dangling nests. The male, with glossy plumage and a distinctive song, weaves baskets up to 2 meters long from plant fibers, suspended from the thinnest branches where snakes and predators can't reach. When the wind blows, the nests sway like cradles, training chicks to balance from the moment they hatch. Males often build multiple nests to impress mates, creating a hanging neighborhood in the forest, resembling giant lanterns. Each nest is a technical marvel, both beautiful and secure. Did you know the Oripendola's call echoes through the forest, like a symphony claiming its territory? This is the perfect blend of aesthetics, function, and adaptation to the harsh rainforest environment. Number 4. Sociable weaver bird nest. In the sun-scorched savannas of South Africa, sociable weaver birds construct massive communal nests that look like haystacks dangling from trees or utility poles. Woven from dry grass and twigs, each nest can house over 100 pairs and last for decades, like a bustling urban hub in the bird world. Each pair has its own chamber, like a private apartment. With a clever design, the upper layer keeps it warm on cold nights, while the lower layer stays cool on hot days. The marvel: these nests aren't just for weavers. Sparrows, woodpeckers, even snakes and owls rent space here. Creating a diverse community, these nests are more than homes. They're symbols of collaboration and ingenuity. Imagine a treetop village where every resident has their own safe, cozy space. This is nature's communal architectural wonder. Number 5. Ovenbird nest. South America's ovenbird, or baker bird, is the pottery master of the bird world. Using mud mixed with dry grass, they mold dome-shaped nests with their beaks and feet, resembling miniature clay ovens. Once dried, the nest is rock-hard, withstanding rain and harsh weather. Placed on branches or wooden posts, each nest is a unique work of art, bearing the personal touch of the parent birds. Like a handcrafted sculpture, a side entrance leads to a cozy incubation chamber, protecting eggs from predators. The best part: no two nests are identical, as if each ovenbird pair has its own architectural style. Living in South America's grasslands, these birds enrich the soil when old nests decompose. This is a masterpiece of instinct, craftsmanship, and environmental adaptation. Number 6. Ruby-throated hummingbird nest. Don't let size fool you. The ruby-throated hummingbird, weighing less than a coin, is nature's tiny engineer. Found in North America, the female builds a nest the size of a bottle cap, yet it's a technical marvel. They weave it from moss, plant fibers, and spider silk, a natural glue that makes the nest stretch as the chicks grow. The exterior is camouflaged with moss and bark, making it nearly invisible to predators like hawks or wildcats. Building the nest requires incredible patience, with hundreds of flights to gather materials. The nest is not only warm and soft, but also an ecological masterpiece, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. The ruby-throated hummingbird, with wings beating 80 times per second, proves that the greatest things can come from the smallest creatures. Number 7. Rhinoceros hornbill nest. In Southeast Asia's tropical forests, the rhinoceros hornbill turns nest building into a survival ritual full of emotion. The female selects a high tree hollow, then, with the male, seals the entrance with mud and resin, leaving only a tiny slit for food delivery. This harsh strategy protects her and the eggs from leopards, snakes, and other predators. The male, with his massive horned beak, works tirelessly, delivering food through the slit throughout the breeding season. The miracle happens when the chicks are ready. The female breaks the mud wall, and the family reunites. This journey showcases sacrifice and the hornbill's vital role in pollination and seed dispersal in the forest. It's a moving story of love, patience, and fierce survival instincts. Number 8. Southern masked weaver nest. In the scorching African savanna, the southern masked weaver is a genius of adaptation. The male weaves a spherical nest from soft grass, carefully choosing the direction of wind and sun to keep it cool and airy. The downward-facing entrance avoids rain, while the thick roof insulates against daytime heat and nighttime cold. Each knot is crafted with only beak and feet. Like a masterful handicraft performance, the female acts as a quality inspector. If the nest isn't up to par, she leaves, and the male must dismantle and rebuild. These birds also sustain the savanna ecosystem by recycling dry grass. With each breeding season, they strive for perfection, showcasing nature's brilliant creativity. Number 9. Flamingo nest. In the desolate saline lakes of Africa and South America, flamingos build conical mud fortresses 30–50 centimeters tall, strong enough to protect eggs from floods and predators like foxes or birds of prey. Both parents take turns gathering mud, stacking it layer by layer to create a sturdy mound. A single egg is laid on top. Like the centerpiece of a refined survival strategy, thousands of nests cluster together, forming a vibrant mud city, reflecting sunlight on the water. These nests not only protect chicks, but also help them adapt to harsh environments from the start. Flamingos, with their long legs and pink plumage, are symbols of beauty and resilience in the toughest conditions. Number 10. European bee-eater nest. The European bee-eater, with rainbow-like plumage, is a master tunnel digger. Instead of building on trees, they excavate 1–2 meter long tunnels in riverbanks or sandy slopes across Europe, leading to a safe incubation chamber. Their sharp beaks act like natural chisels, creating underground fortresses hidden from hawks and foxes. During breeding season, the male hunts bees, wasps, and flying insects, skillfully removing stingers before offering them to the female as a love gift. These tunnel nests are not only secure, but also maintain stable temperatures in humid environments. This is a testament to the dedication intelligence, and adaptability of this colorful species. Number 11. Willow warbler nest. The willow warbler, or chiffchaff, is a master craftsman of Europe and Asia. They weave pouch-like nests hanging from willow or birch branches, using plant fibers, spider silk, and feathers. The highlight, a decoy entrance, a clever trap to fool predators like hawks. The real entrance is expertly camouflaged, blending with the nest. Forcing intruders to give up, the male starts building to attract a mate. Then the female joins to finish it, lining the nest with soft feathers for a cozy space. The nest is not just a shelter, but a defensive design masterpiece. Living in meadows and marshes, willow warblers control insects, showcasing harmony between art and ecology. Number 12. Purple moorhen nest. In the lush wetlands of Africa and Asia, the purple moorhen builds floating nests on reed beds, woven from grass and leaves. Though they appear fragile, these nests withstand floods and strong winds. With shimmering purple plumage and a bright red beak, this bird strides like a king of the marshes. Both parents take turns guarding and nurturing the chicks, who leave the nest just days after hatching. Thanks to long toes, they move effortlessly across floating vegetation. Like walking on land, their nests symbolize simplicity yet efficiency, proving remarkable adaptability in harsh environments. Would you want to live in a floating home like this? Number 13. Bald eagle nest. In North America's forests, the bald eagle, America's symbol, builds the largest nests in the bird world. Perched on treetops, these nests are woven from large branches, lined with moss, grass, and feathers, spanning 3 meters wide, 6 meters tall, and weighing over 2 tons, equivalent to a car. Each year, the pair adds new layers, turning the nest into a lifelong monument. Construction takes months, showcasing the commitment of both male and female. The nest is not just for incubation, but a fortress against bears and wolves. With a 2-meter wingspan, the bald eagle symbolizes strength and freedom, balancing ecosystems by hunting fish and small animals. This is a testament to patience and enduring love. Number 14. Elf owl nest. In the thorny deserts of the western U.S. and northern Mexico, the elf owl carves nests inside the soft core of saguaro cacti. Surrounding spines protect the nest from snakes and predators while regulating temperature, cool by day, warm by night. Though only 15–18 centimeters long, this owl bravely confronts larger intruders to defend its home. Carving a nest in cactus requires strength and precision, like a tiny warrior in rusty brown feathers. These owls also control insects and rodents, playing a vital role in desert ecosystems. Their nests symbolize intelligence, courage, and adaptability in harsh environments. Number 15. African jacana nest. The African jacana breaks tradition, with males building nests and caring for chicks. Their nests are simple, yet effective floating rafts made of water lilies and aquatic plants. Drifting lightly on Africa's lakes and marshes, the male tests the balance to withstand wind and rain, even tucking chicks under his wings like a portable pouch for protection. With long toes, they walk on floating vegetation like it's solid ground, showcasing remarkable adaptation. These birds also control aquatic plants, balancing wetland ecosystems. Without high walls or sturdy foundations, jacana nests prove a father's care can create a safe, smart home. Number 16. White-nest swiftlet nest. In Southeast Asia's dark caves, white-nest swiftlets create a unique marvel. Nests made entirely from their saliva, hardening into white cups attached to cave walls. These nests, the ingredient for the famous bird's nest soup, take over a month to build. Requiring extraordinary perseverance, each nest is a tiny masterpiece, clinging to rock to avoid floods and predators. These birds not only build nests, but hold cultural significance, providing a prized delicacy in many Asian countries. Living in humid caves, they dart like arrows to hunt insects, balancing ecosystems. This is a blend of natural architecture and human value, a true wonder. Number N17. Tailor bird nest. The tailor bird, common in Asia, is nature's master seamstress. They stitch two large leaves together with plant fibers or spider silk, creating a hanging nest lined with cotton and down. The leaves make the nest nearly invisible to predators like snakes or birds of prey. The stitching process requires astonishing dexterity, like a true artisan at work. Living in forests and grasslands, tailor birds control insects, playing a key role in ecosystems. Each nest is a handmade work of art, blending creativity and defensive instinct. Can you believe it? A tiny bird can sew a safe and artistic home like this. Number 18. Hummingbird nest. Africa's hummingbird builds massive nests from branches, mud, and grass, weighing up to 100 kilograms, perched on trees or cliffs, with multiple chambers and a side entrance. They're sturdy enough for owls or snakes to take shelter. Construction takes months, showcasing the perfect coordination between male and female. Hummingbird nests are not just homes, but guest houses for other species, fostering a diverse community. Living near rivers and marshes, they disperse seeds through droppings, aiding forest regeneration. This is a colossal architectural marvel, a testament to nature's endurance and creativity. Number 19. Baltimore Oriole nest. The Baltimore Oriole, found in North America, is a master of woven baskets. The female meticulously weaves a pouch-like nest from plant fibers, grass, and horsehair, anchored securely to branches. During breeding season, the nest is camouflaged with leaves, becoming nearly invisible. It's both durable and flexible, withstanding strong winds and protecting chicks from hawks. These birds also aid pollination by feeding on nectar, sustaining forest ecosystems. Each nest is an artistic masterpiece, blending function and beauty. Imagine a fashionable handbag dangling in nature, crafted by a tiny bird. Number 20. Australian megapode nest. In Australia's forests, the megapode, or malleefowl, builds enormous incubation mounds from soil, leaves, and branches, reaching 4 meters high and 10 meters wide. Heat from decomposing materials incubates the eggs, eliminating the need for parents to sit on them. The male regulates temperature by adding or removing material, like an engineer tending a natural furnace. Chicks, when hatched, dig their way out and live independently. These birds enrich soil through mound decomposition, playing a vital role in forest ecosystems. This is the pinnacle of natural architecture, where nature masters technology in a spectacular way. From intricately woven baskets to sturdy mud fortresses, from saliva nests to natural incubation mounds, these 20 bird nests prove that Mother Nature is the greatest architect. Each nest is a masterpiece, blending instinct, perseverance, and adaptability to create wonders beyond human imagination. Which nest is your favorite? A tiny hummingbird's gem, or the megapode's massive mound? Leave a comment, like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to never miss our next adventure. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next natural wonder.